With the browser-based IDEs kind of gaining in popularity, we've seen different things. You have like Gitpod, for instance. I know they're out there. You've got Microsoft now has GitHub Code Spaces, and these are starting to get some attention. What does it actually look like? The, I guess, competitive landscape, for lack of a better word, uh, for cloud IDEs.
Yeah, we've been doing that for the last 4 or 5 years. But yeah, today we're seeing that there are more and more companies that are investing in IDs, especially with GitHub and code spaces. Um, well, with respect to code spaces, the difference is that Chase is completely open source or so, and it's something that you can install locally on your laptop, or you can install on your cloud, or in your enterprise um, cloud. So it's just requires a Kubernetes, and it can install and run on any Kubernetes. Um, so and there are other solution of services available out there, but yeah, Che is the the one that since the beginning is something that you can deploy on prem or locally.
Yep.
The other thing that distinguish Che is it's that everything is really based on containers, in the sense that if you use containers for for running your application in production, you can actually reuse that container in your development environment to test your application from within your development environment, and that's pretty cool. So that's has been that has some things that we've been working and we're trying to improve. So in the sense that we're moving from a paradigm that initially was a development environment is like a VM. Developer can install whatever tools he wants,
Mhm.
to the container, the paradigm of a development environment that is based on containers. So you're not so if you want to update your development environment, you need to update the Docker file that is behind that.
Yeah.
So you need to rebuild the image. You're not going to just install that, and you can compose with multiple sidecars, so you can have multiple tools or multiple runtimes in your development environments using containers.